Back again to talk about Adoge Global Trading, the crypto arbitrage trading platform where you can make 4.4% daily. You know, they've been on since about 4 weeks now. I think they started on the July 18th, and today's, so the time of this recording is August 21st. So they've been online for a month and 3 days. So I just want to turn off the bot and then say I just want to show you how my journey has been so far. I initially started this journey with about $37. I started this journey with $37, but so far I've been able to make about 50. My total income that I've made in the past 2 weeks that I joined, because I actually joined on the 27th of July. Yes, 27th of July. I've been able to make $57 plus my initial investment of $37. So total amount that I've made so far from all the trades that have been done is $93. Here is just the number of transactions that I've gone through. This is the total amount that has been made, that has been processing right now. So when this amount is finished processing, it goes back into the balance. Let's go into, okay, the last video I did, I told you guys I was going to try and do a withdrawal. I did the withdrawal and it came true, but it took about, I think it took about less than an hour, yeah, about 15 to 30 minutes. That's what it took. So I just want to show you the proof of the withdrawal. I withdrew $10 the last time. You see on the 16th, amount $10, success. I just want to go back to my TCR Tron Link wallet and show you the, you know, if each withdrawal has about 3%, I think about 3% transaction fee. So this is what it came to. So I finally got $9.97 USDT on my account. So I mean, this is a wonderful opportunity. You know, if you're interested, I'll leave the link in the description. Everything you need to know about this. If you want to ask further questions and you want to ask me questions or assistance on Telegram, my link for the Telegram channel is also there as well. I could assist you and tell you exactly what to do and how to go about it. But it's pretty very simple. There's nothing you need to do here. All you need to do is click on the link, register. When you register, it will take into an interface like this, where you see help center, service, and all of that. And if you go to the trade bot, okay, this is actually unique. The reason why I really like this platform is because it gives you an automatic trading bot, an automatic and AI artificial intelligence trading bot that helps you place all the trades. You know, so you don't need a script for this. You don't need anything. All you just need a recharge. You come here and you go to user and you click deposit. If you click deposit, it will ask you for the amount. I think the minimum amount to deposit in this platform is about $10. You click the amount, you click submit. I just want to make an example. You click $10 if that's what you have. Then it will now show you a recharge sequence or numbers. All you need to do is just copy these numbers, then go to whatever exchange you use or whatever wallet you use and send the 10 USD to this wallet. After that, in the next 5 minutes, it will hit your account here on Adogeglocal Trading. So it's pretty much simple. It's beautiful. I think I'll make some more investment, but so far I'm not going to make any withdrawals again. I just want to keep compounding. So here is where you know, if you want to invite your friends and family, you come here, invite friends, and you see all the ratios for all the benefits for if you want to share this, do this as a business, and you want to invite people, family and friends. And for the first levels, you get 15%, you know, for referrals. Second levels, you get 10%. Third level, you get 5%. You know, so I think it's an interesting program. So if I'm not your financial advisor, and I would not advise you to put money that you cannot afford to lose. Okay, with this kind of platforms that are here today and gone tomorrow. But I mean, with life, there's nothing is guaranteed. You know, no venture, no success. If you keep that crypto in the wallet, it's not going to multiply. So I'd rather take some chances with the things that I know I can lose and gain more than keep it. So I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not saying I'm not asking you must join. I'm not saying go borrow money. Don't borrow money. Only use what you can afford to lose. Like with everything, every kind of business in life, there is always risk involved. Do your own diligence. But I especially like this platform because of it's been so quite easy. I don't need to do anything. I just put it, and my computer is always on. You know, I don't need a VPS as well for this. It just runs like 24 hours. It places about 8.8 trades every day. You know, and your reward is your dividends. It's based on the amount you invested. So if I invested a lot of money in it as well, I would have made some really good returns in this period that's been working. And I think they have a very, very active Telegram group as well, if you want to join. So that is about all for this. I just want to do a drive-by and let you know my progress and the things that I've been involved in and how it's been going. So far, it's been going good. I've been able to triple my crypto right now, you know, in just in the space of 3 weeks. You know, so if you feel like this is what you want to do, everything you need, all the questions you need to answer, all the questions that you need to be answered in the description. If you're interested further and you want to ask questions, drop your questions in the comment section or send me a message on Telegram. Then I'll be willing and I'll be able to assist you in whatever way that I could. But I'm not asking you for anything. You are doing this on your own and the risk is on you, like with everyone else. So take care of yourself and have a great day. Bye-bye.